How to download Zoosk online dating application on your mobile device. If you want to get the popular Zoosk online dating application right on your mobile device, then first, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your App Store for your iPhone. If you're using Android, open up your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Zoosk and then search. Once you find this application that says Zoosk Dating and Online Chat, tap on the download button. Wait for the application to be downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Zoosk is an online dating site and dating app that makes it simple to find your perfect match. Once you download the application, tap on the open button to open the app. That is how you can easily download Zoosk dating application for your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.